Hello, my name is Maya. I'm 20 years old. I've always been a dreamer. One clear night, I gazed at the stars from my rooftop. I dreamed of traveling the world. The stars seemed to whisper promises of adventure. I decided to chase my dreams. My first goal was to visit Paris. I saved every penny from my part time job. I read books about France. I learned a few French phrases. My heart was set on this journey. After months of saving, I finally booked my ticket. I felt a mix of excitement and nerves. It was my first trip alone. The day I left, my family waved goodbye. I promised to send them postcards. Paris was breathtaking. The Eiffel Tower was magnificent. I strolled along the Seine River. I visited art museums. I savored every moment. Each day was a new discovery. One day, I met a fellow traveler, Lucas. He was from Brazil. We shared stories of our travels. Lucas showed me hidden gems in the city. We explored quaint cafes and quiet streets. Our friendship blossomed. As my trip ended, I felt a pang of sadness, but I also felt fulfilled. I had chased my dream. I had made unforgettable memories. I knew this was just the beginning. I returned home with stories to tell. I was already planning my next adventure. I realized that chasing dreams isn't easy, but it's worth every step. I was ready for the next chapter of my journey.